Hey guys, Darren here with the Coffee Vloggers. We're checking out the Angel's Cup app. Let's get to it. After you downloaded the app, go ahead and open it up and we're going to start a tasting. You can enter your email address in and password, but we're going to skip this step for this review. Next, we're going to select which coffee we're going to use, which is 5525. So we're going to enter 5525 in, and then we're going to click beginner and begin tasting. First is the brew method, and today we are using the V60. So we're going to go ahead and type V60 in. Next is the coffee temperature. My kettle broke, so I usually take the water to a boil and wait about a couple minutes after, then start brewing. Next is the grind. We're going to type in fine. As you can see, the brew time is 2 minutes 34 seconds. Coffee weight is going to be 16 grams of coffee. So we're going to type in 16. And total water weight is 256 for a brew ratio of 16:1. The results were that the coffee was pretty balanced. Next is the color. What does the coffee look like? City, full city. We're gonna go with full city. Next is taste. Aftertaste, sweetness, bitterness, complexity of the coffee, and the body. Aroma and flavor, it tasted a little bit like dark chocolate, grapefruit, and some blueberry. And out of 10, I gave it a 6, and that completes the tasting. As you can see, the results are, it shows your brewing method, V60, the total water weight, which is 256, the amount of coffee is 16, and the water temperature, for me it was 2 minutes off of boiling, and the total brew time was 2 minutes 34 seconds, and I gave it an enjoyment of 6 out of 10, and the coffee grade came out to 84.5. Another cool feature of the app is after you get your summary, you get to compare notes with everybody else who got that same exact sample packet of coffee that you did. You get to see their brewing method, their coffee temperature, how much coffee they used, and overall how much they enjoyed their cup of coffee. So that was a quick tour of the Angel's Cup app. If you're still interested in ordering from Angel's Cup, use my referral code. It's CoffeeHunter795. And until next time, always drink great coffee.